Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. Thank you all for joining me again for my Walgreen haul, and if this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the videos, and if you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Deals I did in this video are very easy deals. I didn't use any paper coupon. All you have to do while you're at the store is scan the item, then you find the coupon that attached to it and make sure you clip them before you check out. Let's see what deals I picked up. The first deal I picked up is when you buy 2 or more participating Old Spice products, you get back $4 register reward. And I'm going to grab 2 of the Old Spice body wash. They are on sale for $7 each, and these 2 items are going to total $14. Check your app because we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to this, and drop it down to $11. You pay that and get $4 register reward back. Then check your Ibotta because I have a $2 back on each one of them. That will be a total of $4. So after the register reward and the $4 rebate comes back, these 2 items are going to cost me just $3 or $1.50 each. Let's look at my receipt and see how everything worked out. I picked up the 2 Old Spice I showed earlier on. That's the $14, $7 each. And the $3 you're looking at is the 3 off 2 coupon we have in our app. It made the subtotal $11, and you can see the sales tax. I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash, paid the rest out of pocket, and I got back my $4 register reward for buying 2. And I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got $2 back on each one of them, making these 2 items $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I'll be doing will still be on body wash, and this one will be on Dove body wash. It's not tagged at my store, but they're on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 back in register reward, both the men and the women. So I will pick up one of the Dove Men Plus Care, and it's on sale for $7. And I'll be adding the women, which is also on sale for $7 as well. And I will use a BOGO coupon we got from the 10-1 savings set. When you read the coupon, you can see where it says buy 1 Dove body wash product and you get 1 Dove Men Plus Care body wash for free. And the maximum amount is going to take off is $6.99. And that will leave me to pay just $7.01, and I'll get back the $5 register reward, making these 2 items $2.01 or $1 each. This is another successful transaction. It worked out very well. The BOGO coupon took off the $6.99 without any problem, and I got back my $5 register reward, making both items $2.01 or $1 each. The next deal I'll pick up will be the spend $15 on participating Chic or Skintimate products, and you get back $5 in Walgreen cash. And I will pick up this one priced at $9.99. That's the on sale price. We have a $4 digital coupon, but if you don't want to use the one you have in the app, you can go to coupons.com and print out a $4. To get me to $15, I'll also be picking up the Chic Hydro Stick Touch-Up Disposable Razor. That's the 3 counts. It's on sale for $6.99. If you don't want that, you can pick up the Skintimate Razor on sale for $6.99 as well. And the $4 digital coupon will also work on it. These 2 razors are going to total me $16.98. And with the 2 $4 coupons we have in the app, it's going to drop it down to $8.98. And I'm going to get back $5 Walgreen cash, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. Before I checked out with this deal, I noticed that I have a booster that says spend $1 and you get back $5 Walgreen cash. So I'll be adding it to this transaction to even make it better. Let's go through my receipts and see how everything worked out. You can see the 2 items I picked up, and the first 2 coupons you're looking at, the manufacturer's coupons. The $4 is a register reward, so is the $3, and the other 2 $4 are the coupons I mentioned for each product. And it dropped my subtotal down to $1.98, and I paid that out of pocket. When I checked my receipt, I noticed I only have a $5 Walgreen cash back. I'm guessing that's from the booster. I don't think this is from the deal. I'm not too sure, but I will be calling customer service to get me back the $5, whichever one that is missing. I picked up some clearance items, and the funny thing is they are still on sale because they're on buy one get one half off. They originally priced at $16.99 and it's on clearance for $1.69, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. I don't know how that works, but I picked up two and I ended up paying just $2.53 before tax for both of them. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I'm able to help out somehow, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.